What's going on, everybody? Devin up here, and today I got the Jabra Elite Active. Alright, we're gonna get into this review, unbox it, have some fun with it. Alright. Started, show the box. Alright, so every time you try to take off this box, it's such a pain. Like, you just gotta find out how to take this off. You never make it simple. Oh, okay.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, that took a while. Ooh, hey, that's nice. This is what it looked like when you first open it up. Welcome to Superior Sound. Get started, download your free Jabra app, and connect to your smartphone. Alright, so I'm gonna do that while I'm unboxing it. Alright, so we're gonna download this one. Alright, personalize your call, music, and experience. Register your earbuds for your 2-year warranty against dust and sweat resistance. Alright, cool, that's what's up. And then we got more on the back right here. Alright, let's see, what else do they got? Alright, so we got a USB Type-C cord, and then we got our extra buds, and that's about it. Alright, so we got the Jabra itself. Alright, this is what it's looking like. USB Type-C port goes right here. And just feeling this, it feels so luxury. Compared to the Galaxy Bud case, it's very plasticky. This one is like very smooth and just well put together. And just like the Galaxy Buds, you got the magnets right here. And next, we're gonna place these buds in here, if I can get them out.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Hey, stop playing, man. This ain't tough. Bro, what are you doing? Alright, so let's see if this app downloaded, and we're gonna continue next. Alright, so next we're getting into the app. We're just gonna continue, find out what you got. Gonna keep going. So it's telling us to go to the Bluetooth menu and set them up that way. Alright, so now it's connected. I gotta reopen up the app. Let's continue. Alright, so here are the options that we have in the app. We have hear through, we got music equalizer. I guess you can adjust the sound how you would like, and music presets, speech, bass boost, treble boost, smooth, and energize. Got the headset, letting you know the percentage of it, updates, voice assistance, register your Jabras, find my Jabra. Let's see how that is. Alright, so it's just like that Find My iPhone, not really a difference. Next is Discover, telling you have an update, do you need help with assistant, activate Alexa, and also you can get a warranty. And that's about it. So the Jabras, let's get into the price point. These are $200. Again, it has a very luxury case. It feels very good when you open it up. You can just look at it, at the great design, and just look how nice it looks. These are a great color, honestly. I prefer these over the black ones. Copper, I would get those also, but the blue ones are just great. They stand out, and it's an amazing color. So the battery life of these, they give you 7.5 battery throughout the day and 28 hours of battery with the case. Charging these for 15 minutes give you an hour. So this would be great if you're charging it, if you're going on a flight, traveling anywhere. These will last you the whole trip from when you're starting until when you get into your destination. So good on the battery life. That's the most important things about these buds is the battery. This has 5.0 Bluetooth. This has a sweat resistance of IP7. This is like one of the top strongest sweat resistance. It's better than the AirPods Pros and definitely better than the Galaxy Buds Plus. So these are the top sweat resistance earbuds at the moment. All right, so I'm gonna get into the call quality right now. I'm gonna make a phone call. All right, so the call quality is very great. These actually have 4 mics in them. So the phone call was crystal clear. It was nice, and also it's an update from the last model, so these sound way better than the previous model, and also the current 75T model. The thing that I like about these is that these come with a brand new wind protection, so when you're running, jogging, and you're out in bad terrain and the wind is just killing you, these have built-in wind resistance, so it should take the tough wind. Shouldn't hear that whistling sound in your ear. The design of these are very luxury. They feel really good. They're not bulky. and they're not like in the way. So these are very perfectly built together. They don't feel like they're in my ear, even though they don't feel any weight. Like, you know, you can tell when something's in your ear or it's just kind of like you just feel something there. These don't feel like nothing. They feel great. I give a thumbs up with the design and the luxury and the comfort. So the comfort is an A. It's a pass. The touch sensitivity is very sensitive, so that's another plus. You want Buds to do what it does, and also it's just very easy to use. All right, so I'm actually listening to some audio right now, and the music sounds amazing in it. Man, great job, Jabra. You did a great job with this. The bass sound amazing. I didn't change any settings. The music sound amazing. Jabra did a really great job with these, and these are very underrated. These need to start being in discussions, honestly, because these are some really, really great headphones, and they're great sounding, and the qualities of it is amazing, and it feels great too. That's all I got to say about this, but man. Last but not least, let's get into the noise isolation. So these have passive noise isolation, which means it's not as strong as full noise isolation compared to the Galaxy Buds Pros, and also it does not have noise cancellation. So you can hear things in the background, which is, but if you can just kind of cut that out, that is a thumbs down. All right, and that's it. They did a great job. Like this, these feel amazing. And last but not least, let me just show how they look in the ear. They feel comfortable. And yes, I got them all right this time. So, all right guys, so what do you think about the Elite Actives? You gonna keep your previous model, or you gonna keep the 65T, or you think it's might worth that upgrade? These are great headphones, but if you're sports and you're very active and you're using it for working out, sports related, in that intense training, these are perfect for you. They have very high sweat resistance, as you see, and they are just great in your ear and feeling comfortable. And also the battery life is pretty decent. That's a lot of battery life. All right, this is Devin Up. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon in the future. I'm out. I appreciate you guys watching. All right.